Want to upload your own audio to ElevenLabs for voice changing, dubbing, transcription, or other AI-powered features? ElevenLabs makes it easy to upload recordings and start working with them in just a few steps. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to upload audio to ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the tool where you want to use your audio, such as voice changer, dubbing, or another supported feature. Navigate to the appropriate tool and locate the upload section. Depending on the feature you're using, you'll see an option to upload an audio file or drag and drop it directly into the workspace. Click the upload area and choose the audio file from your computer, or simply drag and drop it into the window. Supported formats include common audio types such as MP3, WAV, M4A, FLAC, OGG, and OGA, depending on the selected tool. After selecting your file, wait while ElevenLabs uploads and processes the audio. Larger files may take a little longer, and some tools have upload limits, so very long recordings may need to be split into smaller sections. Once the upload is complete, preview your recording to make sure it sounds correct. From here, you can continue with features such as voice changing, dubbing, transcription, or other supported workflows. After confirming your recording, continue with your selected workflow and generate the final result. When everything is finished, save your project or download the processed audio if that option is available. And that's how to upload audio to ElevenLabs in 2026. Whether you're creating voiceovers, changing voices, dubbing content, or using other AI audio tools, uploading your recordings is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.